In the last video here at Roost Vans, we just talked about our Fuka bed system and did a little bit of a deeper dive in what the flip-up kits add to that. Well, I mean, it's some hard panels with the bed system, so you kind of need a mattress to go on top. Now, this mattress is custom designed to work with a flip-up kit. Typically, you have a xylophone mattress, and frankly, the seams on those standard 3-panel mattresses available online just aren't the right seam, and the flip-up kits won't behave properly. Also, we put a lot of energy into getting just the right, granted it's very subjective, smaller, thinner 4-inch mattress, getting just the right foam build using high-resiliency foam that lasts a long time, that you'll be able to get a good night's sleep with just the right amount of cushion, and also in a very high quality foam that's CertiPUR-certified, that will give you years of use and is also very low outgassing at all. Well, one big feature that Roost Vans mattresses offer for really any bed system, but it's specifically sized to our Fuka bed system, is this anti-slip material that we put on the bottom. Now, this is an important feature because typically the underside of mattresses are just a typical, like a backpack vinyl, and there's not really much anti-slip at all associated with it. Well, in our product development process, what we realized is when you slam on the brakes, well, the mattress doesn't stay on the bed. So we reformulated the bottom to get a really nice high quality anti-slip that's been working fantastic. Even on hard braking events, the mattress stays put. Now, this whole mattress system is 3 panels for a 3-panel bed, obviously, but 2 panels for when you're going to be sleeping side to side for a 2-panel bed. It's also launderable. You can remove the cover and throw it in the wash, cold cycle, no dry, and reinstall it onto your mattress. It's a commercial grade fabric that's highly water resistant, not waterproof, but will give you plenty of time to dry up any spills as needed. Highly stain resistant as well. It has its limits, but it's a great product for the inside of a van and give you plenty of years of life. When I'm in here for weeks at a time, man, it's a good mattress that I'm really satisfied with. That gives me a great night's sleep. So I put a lot of energy into a lot of iterations to get this product resolved. You can add this onto any Fuka bed system order, and ships out to you in a big box, and you open it up, it expands and is ready to be put in your van pretty much right after you receive it. Give it a couple of days to breathe and it'll be good to go for you. So thanks for visiting us, and check us out at roostvans.com.